Hello everyone, it's Brenda Miller at the ABQ Sewing Studio, and today I want to show you some exciting products that came in the door. We have some new fabrics by Anna Maria Parry. She's also known as Anna Marie Horner to some of you, but she has some gorgeous fabrics, and we are showing off several. So we have the Overdressed collection here in 18 fat quarters. Just really luscious looking fabrics for $150.99. We have her kit for the Bespoke quilt. Ooh, this is heavy. So here it is, and I've got one open over here, which I will also show you. There, whoops, there we are. So you can see what gorgeous fabrics are included in that. And here's a close-up of the pattern, which is included. The kit by itself is $419.99, but we're also having a class for the pattern, to make the pattern with Kelley Richardson. And that class is a 3-part class taking place Saturday, February, it's February and March the 21st and April 19th. I'm not sure of the first date there, but I'll get that for you. And yeah, you'll have this quilt made with Kelley in that class. Along with that, we have Anna Maria's new book called Blueprint Quilting. And it says explore color, pattern, and technique with 16 joyful products and 4 simple design structures. So just all kinds of really fun ideas using her big prints. Speaking of big prints, we have a selection of the Overdressed fabrics that just came in the door. This is just a really pretty peony on this one. Poppies and all kinds of luscious color. So I imagine this personally. We have a class coming up with Sandra Thomas, who makes beautiful quilted jackets, and I'm thinking these would be great motifs for that kind of a jacket to show them off. Anyway, that's what's new today here at the ABQ Sewing Studio in Strathroy, Ontario. Come on down and check it out yourself.